Oh, look at the cute. Wait, what's it doing? What's it doing? Oh my god. Oh my god.
So freaking. Excuse me! No!
Shake. Shake. Pig. Shake.
Oh, buddy. You okay?
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sanctus.
I hold him up.
You're so cute. What is he doing? Hmm? Oh. Ma'am. Say yeah!
Good job.
No, it's meow mix. Try again.
Yeah, that's right. That's how you do that.
Oh, his mouth.
Look at him.
Close. Stop. Stop.
I'm fast as boy. Still fast as boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as
Watch your head, watch your head.
Can you move, please? Get Arlo! Oh, that was so cute.
Touch. Touch.
Car approaches. She goes prone. She waits. Now it's dance time.
Are you joking?
Bobo, Jesus. Crazy. Bad boy.
No! No! Are you... seriously? What?
Wait a second, what are those things? You're unleashing them? Get me out! Holy shit! They're swarming me! Help me, demons! Oh, get me out of here!
Delicious. What? What are you doing, Bubbles? Bubbles, no, 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 no. That was mine. That was mine.
He's... Arden!
Is it normal that he does this every day for hours?
Oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy dog.
Yeah, he always tries to take it, but usually he drops it.
Oh, oh, oh.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour!
Oh, come on.
Okay, do it now.
Bang. Bang. Good job.
That's so cute.
Oh! No. They are my chicken nuggets. No.
She's actually making a snowball.
That is hilarious.
Is that cool or what? Whoa, hello, Jack in the Box. It's a three-banded armadillo from Brazil. Is this cute or what? And look at it, he completely closes up. The United States ones can't completely close up. This one actually has armor to protect every last bit of it. Look at that.
Hey, fellas, how y'all doing this morning?
Oh, look what we got over here.
Get him, boss.
Oh, shit.
Can you believe this thing came from a wolf? Come on, let's kick his ass.
Yeah, get him, Marty. You guys mind actually getting off the property, please?
What are you gonna do about it, Beverly Hills Chihuahua?
I think those turkeys were expecting me to tuck my tail and run as usual, but my dad always said a good guard dog, he barks loud and he bites hard, so that's what I try to live by. It doesn't matter if you're a small dog, you can be a guard dog too, and I'm looking forward to Thanksgiving this year.